Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be making a dark spots corrector, natural way to get rid of your dark spots finally. Alright guys, so in case you are new here, you have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. If you want to learn how to make your skin flawless, you want to get rid of your spots, dark spots, scars, blemishes, you want to get rid of hyperpigmentation, this remedy is for you. I'll be making use of natural ingredients, just a natural way to get rid of those spots. You will never have that spots again if you try this remedy. Yes, for sure. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to everyone. So if you want to know the ingredients I use in this remedy and the proper way to use it for effective results, you just have to continue watching. Yeah. So to fade away your dark spots, you will surely need these ingredients. These ingredients are very effective and very natural way to get rid of your dark spots. If you want to get rid of hyperpigmentation, they will really help you a lot. If you want to get rid of pimple scars, dark marks, to make your face to look flawless with no pimples, no spots at all, you have to try these ingredients. Alright, so before you start, you surely need a mixing bowl. The first ingredient I have here is gram flour. You can as well make use of your baking flour. Gram flour is a gentle exfoliator. It helps to cleanse and remove dead cells accumulated on the dark spots. So it helps a lot to improve complexion and make your skin to glow. Adding this, it will help to get rid of those dead cells on your skin that makes you to look dull. Okay, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of gram flour. You can see the color. It's not so whitish like that. This is a gram flour. So after that, the next ingredient I'm going to be adding is tomato. Tomato is a powerful ingredient if you want to lighten your skin in a natural way, of course. They are loaded with antioxidants, which helps to lighten dark spots and help the skin remain youthful. In case you want to look younger every day, to look flawless, you have to include tomato into your skincare routine. So I'm going to squeeze in the tomato juice. You can as well blend it and use the paste. So just squeeze in the juice. No matter how small it is, it works very well. These ingredients are the things you have at home. Okay, so the next ingredient is lemon or lime. Okay, if you are going to be adding this, you just make sure you use it at night. But if you use it during the day, you just have to make sure you're at home. You didn't go out, okay? So I'm making use of lime in this remedy, but you can as well make use of lemon. Lime juice will help to lighten the dark areas of your skin. Very natural way, like in case you are dark skin, you can as well make use of lime. It will not bleach you. This is a very safe lightener. It's not like it's going to bleach you. No, this is a natural way to glow. In case you want to glow, you want to get rid of dark patches, you want to unify your complexion, you want to get rid of skin imperfection, add it into your treatment and you will love it. So guys, I'm going to squeeze in just half of the lemon juice like this. Make sure you are using the one that have water content in it. So I just squeeze in only half. So before adding my next ingredients, I'm going to mix it very well. If there is not enough water in it, you just add in more lemon juice. I'm not going to add any water into this. To make this remedy, the only liquid you need to add is only the lemon juice, okay, or the tomato paste. Tomatoes are loaded with antioxidants as well, okay. It helps to lighten your dark spots. So the next one I will be adding is turmeric powder. And this one, you only need it just a pinch of it. Just like little quantity of it is enough. So you just have to mix it very well. If it's very thick, like thick in consistency, you just have to add in more lemon juice. We don't really need it to be so running, like so liquid in form. Okay, so this consistency is okay in a thick paste. Alright, so it's time to apply it on the face. I'll show you guys how to properly apply this on your dark spots to finally get rid of them. so to apply this remedy on your face, you just need to get a brush to use and apply it on your face. Then you have to clean up your makeups, remove all your makeups, both eye makeup, everything, anything that will attract dirt onto your skin, just get rid of them. And also, if you want to treat your neck, you want to have a uniform skin, you just wipe off all the makeups. I'm going to show you 2 ways to apply this. If you have it few on your face or your body, this is how you should apply it. Make sure you wash your hands very well, then do a spot treatment. This is what we call spot treatment. Do not apply it everywhere. So this method is for any skincare you are using. If you want to treat dark spots and the dark spots are not everywhere on your skin, this is how you should apply it, like this. Okay, so if you have it everywhere, or if you want to unify your complexion, you want to treat hyperpigmentation, you just need to layer everything like this. Apply it generously. Then apply it on the other side. If you have under eye circle, dark under eye circle, just apply it under your eyes to lighten those areas. This treatment will help to keep you glowing. In case you want to glow your skin, use this treatment and you will love it. If you have a dark skin, like a very dark skin, you can as well make use of this treatment, okay? This is very effective. This is what you should use every day in case you have those dark spots. Alright, so you have to leave this treatment on your face or any body parts you applied it for like 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you rinse it off. When you rinse it off, you see how fresh looking your face will be. Your dark spots may not fade away from that first use. You will need to repeat it the next day. Apply it every day for a very effective result. But if you want to glow your skin, like you want to look flawless, you want to unify your complexion, you have to use this treatment 3 times a week, and that is okay. Alright, so you can just keep the remaining one in the refrigerator. Keep it in the fridge, and anytime you want to use it the next day, then you apply it and you're good to go. I normally apply mine to glow my skin, and that is it. You will look flawless without makeup. I thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to subscribe. And do not forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed.